Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Chrome Annoy browser notification on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on your start menu, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on settings right here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to system right here. System, display sound notification power. So click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to notifications and actions. Click on that. Now you are here. Scroll down right here. Get notification from this sender right here. Allow everything to load. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for Google Chrome banner sign. Go ahead and make sure you turn off this. Once you turn it off, you won't be able to have any annoying notification from Chrome browser on your Windows PC. So you can turn off as many as possible annoying notification in these sections right here on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.